Hi everyone, welcome to Cook with Shamila. Here is another Christmas special. It's also a loved dish in my family. I visited the Negambol early morning for this. I will be showing you how to prepare a Christmas Eve calamari. 1 kilo of calamari, 3 tomatoes blended, 1 onion cut into slices, 3 tablespoons oil, 3 finely chopped garlic cloves, red wine quarter cup, half a cup white wine, pepper, chili flakes, salt, 1 teaspoon oregano leaves, 1 tablespoon parsley. Now let's start preparing the dish. Now I'm going to pour oil to the pan. Let's add the onions. We need to fry it. Now the onions are turning brown. Let's add the garlic. Now let's add the calamari. Let's add some pepper. Salt. Chili flakes. And cook it for some time. Now the calamari is boiling, so it's time to add the tomato puree. White wine, half a cup. Red wine, quarter cup. Oregano leaves. Oregano leaves you can buy from the supermarket. And then the parsley, I will leave some for garnish. Need to cook it till the calamari gets tender. This is optional. If you want, you can add 1 tablespoon corn flour to water and add it. If you want to thicken the gravy, you can do this, or otherwise, without the corn flour, you can use it. Now our calamari is done. You can check the recipe by clicking the description below. It's ready to serve. I'm going to garnish it with some parsley. Let's meet from another Christmas episode. Stay blessed until then. Bye bye.